Hello guys, welcome back. Here we have a beautiful 2016 Dodge Ram 4500 heavy duty tire service truck powered by a 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel. Beautiful truck, very well maintained. Let's take a look around. No cracks on the windshield. Hood is in good condition. Little signs, there's small signs of wear here and there. You can see very small. Tires are in good condition all around. Undercarriage is solid. No rust damage on this truck. Clean interior. Has lights all around. Emergency lights, strobe lights, floodlights. This truck has a FEC tire service body. I believe this is a 12-footer, 12 to 13 feet. Big body on this truck. Hydraulic air compressor inside here. Look at my other videos, you can see it working. There's the reservoir tank. Rear tires are in good shape. You can take a look at the undercarriage. Solid. Lots of storage space. I have another video of the liftgate working, but diamond plated bed, aluminum diamond plated. There you go, have a better look right here. Liftgate works great. Has a 2,000 pound maximum capacity on the liftgate. Very clean truck, guys. Ready to work. Hard to find. Very rare truck to find. Truck has brand new chrome wheel simulators on all 4 tires. Air hose reels. Pressure gauges, everything's working. Inside working lights, if you're working nighttime. You can put your tools in here. Lots of space, guys. Lights work all around. There's your air tank above the cab. If you have any questions, you can call me at 561-400-4556. Offers are welcome. I repeat, if you have any questions or like to make any inquiries, my number is 561-400-4556. This one won't last, guys.